Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's your day?
It's going well.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Long time no see.
Yes, it's been months.
How have you been?
I've been fine.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where are you from?
I'm from USA.
Excuse me, where's the bank?
Go straight, then left.
How do I get to park?
Turn right at the corner.
Is it far from here?
No, it's nearby.
Can you show me the way?
Sure, follow me.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
2 blocks ahead.
How long to the station?
About 10 minutes.
Is this the right street?
Yes, it is.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it's close.
Which way to the market?
Go straight then turn.
Is it safe to walk?
Yes, it is safe.
I'd like a coffee.
Coming right up.
Can I see the menu?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have vegetarian food?
Yes, we do.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Noted, no problem.
Can I have the bill?
Here you are.
Is service included?
Yes, it is.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
I want a glass of water.
Sure, one moment.
Can I get extra napkins?
Of course.
Is it spicy?
Yes, a little.
How much is this?
It's $20.
Can I try this on?
Sure, the fitting room.
Do you have a bigger size?
Yes, here it is.
Is it on sale?
Yes, 10% off.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, no problem.
Do you have change?
Yes, here you go.
Can I return this?
Yes, within 7 days.
I'm looking for shoes.
Right this way.
Do you have it in red?
Yes, we do.
Is it new?
Yes, just arrived.
Where is check-in?
Go straight ahead.
Can I see your passport?
Here you go.
What's the gate number?
Gate 15.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, it is.
Where is the luggage claim?
Next hall.
Can I get a window seat?
Sure, available.
How much for extra baggage?
$50 per kilo.
Where is security?
Straight, then left.
Is boarding started?
Yes, now.
Can I have a boarding pass?
Here it is.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
I'm lost.
Where do you want to go?
Can you speak slowly?
Sure, no problem.
I don't understand.
Let me explain.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, again.
Is anyone there?
Yes, I am.
I need a doctor.
Call emergency.
Can you fix this?
Yes, I can.
Where can I find a taxi?
Outside the station.
Can you teach me?
Sure, I can.
I have a reservation.
Name, please?
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is.
Can I check in now?
Sure, room ready.
I need extra towels.
Coming right up.
Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it is.
Can I get a wake-up call?
Sure, what time?
I lost my key.
We'll provide a new one.
Where is my room?
Third floor, room 305.
Can I check out late?
Yes, extra fee applies.
Is parking available?
Yes, free parking.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
When is your birthday?
July 10th.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
What day is today?
It's Monday.
When do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
When does the store open?
At 9 a.m.
What time does it start?
At 5 p.m.
When is the meeting?
Tomorrow morning.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
What's the date today?
August 25th.
I'm happy today.
That's great.
I'm feeling tired.
Take a rest.
I'm excited.
Why?
I'm bored.
Let's do something fun.
I'm hungry.
Let's eat.
I'm thirsty.
Have some water.
I'm scared.
Don't worry.
I'm sad.
I'm here for you.
I'm surprised.
Really?
I'm angry.
Calm down.
I'm going to school.
Have a nice day.
I'm cooking dinner.
Can I help?
I'm reading a book.
What book?
I'm watching TV.
Which channel?
I'm going to bed.
Good night.
I'm cleaning the room.
Need help?
I'm shopping online.
What are you buying?
I'm taking a shower.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm listening to music.
Which song?
I'm going for a walk.
Enjoy your walk.